The chart presents the technical analysis of Bitcoin, BTC, against Tether, USDT, displaying key price movements and several technical indicators, including exponential moving averages, EMAs, MACD, RSI, and Williams %R, for better understanding the current trend and potential future movements. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Candlestick chart, price movements. The current price of Bitcoin is $60,730.01, with a slight decline of 0.04% for the day. The chart displays two key exponential moving averages, EMAs. 20-day EMA, $62,051.17. 50-day EMA, $61,300.13. The price is below both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, signaling short-term bearish momentum. The price failing to hold above these averages suggests a potential continuation of downward pressure. 2. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line is at 751.03, below the signal line at 847.63, indicating a bearish crossover. The histogram is showing negative values, confirming the momentum is in favor of sellers, and the bearish trend is likely to continue unless there's a reversal in the near future. 3. RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI is at 45.65, which is in the neutral range but approaching oversold conditions below 30. This indicates that while there is some bearish pressure, the asset isn't significantly oversold yet, suggesting some room for further declines or consolidation. The Williams %R is at minus 86.48, indicating extremely oversold conditions. A Williams %R at this level usually signals that the market is oversold, suggesting that a short-term bounce or reversal could be imminent, although continued downward movement is also possible, depending on market conditions. Bearish momentum. Bitcoin is currently below both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, suggesting short-term bearish momentum. The MACD further confirms the downtrend with a bearish crossover. Neutral RSI. The RSI is in neutral territory, but tilting slightly bearish, indicating selling pressure, but not yet at extreme levels. Oversold conditions. The Williams %R is signaling oversold territory, suggesting that a potential short-term rebound or price stabilization could occur soon if buying interest picks up. Market sentiment. The recent decline in Bitcoin could be influenced by broader market factors, including uncertainty around macroeconomic conditions, interest rates, and investor sentiment toward risk assets. Bitcoin, like other cryptocurrencies, can be highly sensitive to these factors. Regulatory concerns. Ongoing global regulatory discussions around cryptocurrencies could be affecting market sentiment, leading to heightened selling pressure. Any negative regulatory news can trigger market volatility. Macro factors. Broader macroeconomic events, such as inflation concerns central bank policies, like the Federal Reserve's actions on interest rates, or geopolitical events, could be weighing on Bitcoin's price. Investors may be moving away from volatile assets like Bitcoin in uncertain times. Conclusion. Bitcoin is currently facing short-term bearish momentum, as indicated by the price trading below both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, and a bearish MACD crossover. The Williams percent R indicator shows that the market is oversold, which could lead to a potential short-term bounce or stabilization. However, external macroeconomic factors, market sentiment, and regulatory developments will likely play a key role in determining the next price movement. Traders should watch for potential reversal signs or further bearish confirmation based on these signals. This chart represents the technical analysis of ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, BITU, showcasing various indicators to assess its price action and trend direction. Below is a detailed breakdown of the chart and its technical indicators. 1. Candlestick chart. Price movements. The current price is $23.87, showing an increase of plus 2.80% for the day. 2 exponential moving averages, EMAs, are plotted. 20-day EMA at $24.60 and 50-day EMA at $25.22. The price is currently below both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, signaling short-term bearish momentum. The fact that today's price increase hasn't pushed the stock above these EMAs suggests that while there's some upward momentum, it's still not enough to break the downtrend. The MACD line is at negative 0.6213, slightly below the signal line at negative 0.8730, indicating a recent bullish crossover. The histogram is in positive territory, suggesting that momentum is turning in favor of the bulls, but it is still not strongly confirmed yet. If the MACD continues to diverge upwards, it could signal a further recovery. 3. RSI Relative Strength Index. The RSI is at 47.63, which is neutral and indicates neither overbought nor oversold conditions. This neutral reading suggests that there's no extreme buying or selling pressure currently, but it leans slightly towards the bearish side, being below 50. 4. Williams percent R. The Williams percent R is at minus 66.53, indicating that the stock is approaching oversold territory, but not deeply oversold yet, which typically is below minus 80. This suggests that the stock has been under selling pressure, but a potential bounce could occur if it continues moving toward oversold conditions. Trend summary: short-term bearish trend. The price is still below both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, indicating that the stock is in a short-term downtrend. The EMAs are acting as resistance levels, and a move above them would be necessary to confirm a trend reversal. Potential recovery. The MACD crossover is signaling early signs of bullish momentum. If this crossover continues to diverge, it could indicate a further move to the upside. Neutral momentum. The RSI is neutral, meaning that the market is not leaning heavily toward either bulls or bears. This aligns with the potential for consolidation before a decisive movement. Approaching oversold levels. The Williams percent R indicates that the stock is nearing oversold territory, which could present a buying opportunity if the trend reverses. Conclusion: the ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, BITU, is currently in a short-term bearish trend, with the price below key, moving averages the 20-day and 50-day EMAs. However, the MACD is signaling early bullish momentum, suggesting a potential recovery. Traders should watch for whether the price can break above the EMAs to confirm a reversal. The RSI is neutral, and the Williams percent R suggests that the ETF is approaching oversold conditions, which could lead to a bounce if the bearish momentum slows down.